execute this maneuver called the low and slow. You can feel the power of the F-16 as Black Knight 6 multiplies in full afterburners. Watch our fantastic Black Knights execute this breathtaking action in 5-4, and here they come! The Black Knight Airshow is complete. Without this next maneuver, demonstrating the level of trust between the solo pilots. From your right, Black Knight 5 and 6 will be staring down at each other's cockpit, only meters apart. We call this dazzling move the Needle Pass. Black Knight dedicates their next maneuver to all the lovers, young and old. Not forgetting some of them who are still single and available. Ladies and gentlemen, the heart from our very own Black Knights.
Imagine.
As the lead and opposing solos return, Black Knight 6 will demonstrate his neutrality at the controls as he drives and forward helix around Black Knight 5. From the right of show center, watch it be amazed with the inverted helix. The Black Knights are experienced and dedicated pilots. All of them are qualified instructors and have more than 1,000 hours on fighters. This Black Knight team was formed after a stringent selection process for both the pilots and the ground crew. The 6 pilots you see today are part of the team of 32 who made the final cut. Amazingly, the Black Knights have only spent just 100 sorties of training together before bringing you this awesome, high-energy aerial demonstration. Unlike any other aerobatics team, the Black Knights are operationally ready pilots and not a full-time aerial display team. Take part in multilateral exercises across the globe to maintain their combat readiness. Ladies and gentlemen, approaching show center from your right, the Black Knight will demonstrate the responsiveness and precise control of the F-16 in pairs by executing a rollover in perfect timing. As they come to center, they will take your breath away with a twist and shout. Fighter. Its fly-by-wire, bubble canopy, and side-stick control makes it a unique fighter aircraft. The Air Force forms an integral part of RSAF, comprising an integrated force with a full spectrum of capabilities and always ready. Its synergy of teamwork and discipline exemplifies a uniquely Singaporean attribute as we stay united as one nation in a pursuit of greater excellence. As for the grand finale, Team Black Knight will now pay tribute to the Air Force's men and women, both past and present, with this bombers.